The film is not anti-Muslim, not anti-Pakistani, and anti-terrorism, which I'm sure that all of us, there's no two opinions about that. And it's not so much about the bombing itself, it is about the aftermath of the bombing. It is about how an event like that can reverberate on the lives of other people who have nothing to do with the event. And this is the story of a man who is caught between Islamophobia of the police department, Islamophobia of the West, and Islamic extremism of a few radicals who have given the entire community a bad name and a suspect. They have made the entire community suspect.
I'm very sure some of the beauty is lost. Some of the nuances disappear because जब आप एक रशियन ज़बान को या क्या कहते हैं कि अंग्रेज़ी ज़बान को हिंदी में या तमिल में या चाइनीज़ में या फ्रेंच में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं, कुछ तो उसमें से खो जाता होगा, लेकिन उसके पीछे मंशा ये है, इंटेंशन ये है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग उस काम को सराह सकें. मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है और इस बात पर कि फिल्म अंग्रेज़ी में बनी थी और हिंदी में डब की जा रही है, उसके ऊपर मैंने कहा कि फ़िल्म बनाने वाले मेरे मित्र हैं और मैं चाहता हूं कि उनकी फिल्म जितनी ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचे, जितने ज़्यादा लोग इसे देखें, अच्छी है तो तारीफ़ करें, बुरी है तो उनकी वेबसाइट पर गालियाँ.
It's a story that deals with the London underground bombing, and it actually is a very topical story because it deals with how the life of the moderate Muslims, the peace-loving Muslims, is affected by the actions of few people who commit radical and violent acts.
The bombings don't just kill innocent people. It kills the trust and the faith and the harmony which normally remains in a multicultural, multi-racial, secular society. And it has impacted that way in London, in England. It's impacting that way in India, and it's impacting everywhere where the terrorists are, by their bombings are, killing innocent people.
बड़े ही गच्ची उत्साह वाले प्रोड्यूसर हैं अरुण जो है वो क्या कहते हैं कि न्यूयॉर्क के रहने वाले हैं और उन्होंने इस सब्जेक्ट मैटर, इस कहानी की स्ट्रेंथ को देखकर इस फिल्म को प्रोड्यूस किया, फाइनेंस किया. और आप यकीन माने, आई डोंट नो इफ देयर इज फुटेज अवेलेबल ऑफ the way it was shot. It was shot like any big Western film, with all the amenities and the crew and everybody of the standard of a world-class film.
And I have experienced that myself because I was in London soon after that, and I could not stop a taxi in London because of my beard, which was a normal thing to do before that. There is a whole street in London called Edgware Road where you see more Muslims than you see white people. And there has never been any issue. But since that bombing, things changed. It's a momentous day in England that the entire community became, suspectful of the other community.
A sincere effort with tremendous subject matter and great performances and gutsy investment by a foreign producer in the film. Brilliant work by a director, whose work should be seen by everybody. Commercially should also see the benefit. Many more people should see it. That's what I like to say. Thank you very much.